Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with 3 bars icon, and if you've got gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here. Like that. And here we've got the recents. And obviously, if you wish, you can close them one by one manually just by swiping them up. But if you've got a lot of apps opened and if you wish to close all of them, I simply recommend to tap on Clear All. We just go back to the home page, we can open the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Sometimes your device will leave one app opened for some reason, but all you have to do then is to swipe it up, just like I've shown before. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.